Hello, hello everyone. Am I audible? Hello. Good evening, everyone. Hello. Good evening, everyone. My very first question is, am I audible? You can reply in chat. Am I audible? Okay. Hello, Manap. How are you? Okay, I guess this is your first class. You are attending our class. This is your first time you are attending our class. Okay, good. So let's just. Okay. So I would suggest you to go through our previous classes so that you will be like, if you have no idea what HTML is and how to. Thank you, Chetna, for replying. Or if you don't have any idea what basically HTML is, and if you want to know what we are doing in this class, you have to have some knowledge. So I would suggest you to go through our previous classes videos. Otherwise, you can start with this video, no problem. Okay, if you like, if you are able to understand something from this class, then okay. Okay, this is a second basically. Okay, fine, great, no problem. Okay, so today we are going to learn about our lists. Okay, we studied about unordered list in our last class. Okay, and just excuse my spelling. Okay, I just I just used order. Okay, fine. I used to make a lot of spelling mistakes, so just ignore spelling mistakes. And today we are going to learn about ordered list. Ordered list. Okay, here E is wrong. Okay, unordered list and ordered list. And after this, we are going to learn about tables. And if time permits, very good, Manab, very good. And tables, and if possible, we are going to learn about style, style tag also. सी ये मैंडेटरी है कि कोई भी एडिटर यूज करना जरूरी है, लाइक कोड एडिटर? चाहे विजुअल स्टूडियो यूज करो, चाहे कोई भी यूज करो, क्योंकि सब लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं ओके कि मैम आप ये मतलब कोई और कोड स्टूडियो क्यों नहीं यूज करते हो? मैंने कई बार बताया है, आई गेस मैंने आपको भी ये पहले बताया है. I like Notepad because it is good for students to practice, because like in all these editors you get pre-written the format of the codes, the tags वो ना पहले से लिखे आ जाते हैं, ठीक है? But here in this Notepad you have to write each and everything by yourself, and it is a very good way to practice your codes, writing your codes, ठीक है? And यस बेसिकली यही है. और इट्स बेटर टू, मतलब मुझे तो बच्चों को पढ़ाने के हिसाब से मुझे नोट पैड ही अच्छा लगता है. सेकेंडली, यू डोंट हैव टू डाउनलोड एनीथिंग इफ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम और मे बी स्पेस प्रॉब्लम और एनीथिंग, लाइक आई डोंट वांट टू गिव मोर प्रॉब्लम टू स्टूडेंट्स. Like if you want to learn this language, you have to download all these softwares. You don't have to. Okay, when you don't have to download some other languages, then I don't want to confuse or give like बेमतलब का काम. We can do everything in Notepad. Yes, हाँ, अच्छा मैं तुम्हारा नाम भूल गई. अच्छा, can you just tell me your name again? Yes, we have SQL course also, but right now we are not doing live course on SQL. So yeah, but in Dhruvon we have. In Dhruvon, you can take up SQL course. We have Python course. We have data analysis course. You can just go to Dhruvon website and you will get to know what all codes, like what all courses you have, like we have in our, you know, uh, on website. Okay. Okay. Can you just tell me your name? Rupam. Okay, Rupam. So Rupam, so we have SQL course. If you want to enroll in our SQL course, you can go to our website and do the needful. And now you did. Now you understood why I am not using Visual Studio Code. See, whatever we are doing here now, you can do all these things in any code editor. Okay, your codes or your output will not differ at all. Okay, and I just like Notepad here. I would like here I have to do some work. और सारे कोड एडिटर्स में ना यू डोंट हैव टू डू वर्क्स. हमने HTML लिखा है, HTML एंड सारा जो बॉडी होता है ना वो सब खुद ही आ जाएगा, राइट? सो लाइक यहाँ मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी तुम्हें नोटपैड में, तो तभी तुम लोग सीखोगे, राइट? ठीक है. सो शुड वी स्टार्ट? And did you all practice whatever we have done till now? Rupam, Chetna. I want all of you to say hi first. I want to know who all students are there with me. I'll just save this file till then. Today is day 4. Day 4. .html. Where did I save it? I forgot. Yeah, we have it. And then Sahani. Okay. Abhimanyu. Okay. So just let me fix this, okay, and let me just increase its size. And hi Manab. Good Chetna, good, very good. You should practice. Hi Rupam, hi Abhimanyu, hi Manab. Oh, 2 Manabs are there. Manab Dua, and one is status bar. I guess I don't know. Okay. Great. So should we start now? Oh, okay. ठीक है रूपम, जब आपको ठीक लगे आप तब कर सकते हो, नो प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है, एंड बस बात ये है कि सीखते रहना है. ठीक है, तुम कभी भी पहले करो बाद में करो, लर्न करो, जो भी चीज़ है आप अपने टाइम के हिसाब से करो, बट द मेन चीज़ should be that you have to keep learning. Okay, until and unless you keep practicing and you keep learning, you will not it will be difficult to go ahead in your career. Okay, this is about career. Even in personal life also, if you want to go go further, right? So you have to yeah, I thought so, Manab. I thought so. So to अपनी life में आगे बढ़ने के लिए you have to keep learning new things. Okay? हाँ, Manab. I thought that this must be your second account. Okay. So let's get started. So now you will see. Okay, Rupam. Now I'm going to write each and everything by myself from the starting, so that now I will even like the times, like whatever times you repeat same thing, so you are going to like you are not going to forget that particular thing. So that's why I want you to do all of that in Notepad if you are in learning phase. Okay, so that's why. So this is Angular bracket, this, and doc type and HTML. Okay, and now open HTML tag and then close HTML tag, and now inside HTML we have head, head tag, and then we have closed head tag. Okay, then we have open body tag, then we will close our body tag. Okay, so head, and this is body, and inside head we have title of our page. So now if you see, I have day4.html, like name of my page is day4.html. I don't want this. Oh, great. Yes, Abhimanyu. The thing is, you don't have to have background. Like, you don't have to necessarily have IT background to learn about computers or coding, right? And to be honest, to learn about computers and coding, like how this particular thing is working, is going to be so necessary in future, and maybe I guess like it is necessary in present times also to learn these basic languages at least, right? And in future it's going to be so common that even we even in first class, like in first class, this person usually is of 6 years old, so they start learning coding. So now at present in schools, okay, and they start teaching coding to kids like of their level, coding. So this is going to be so common in future that you have to have some knowledge, like we should have knowledge, like we should know what is addition and subtraction, right? If somebody does not know what addition or subtraction is, then we'll think like what this person is, like how can this person is living in this world without knowing what addition and subtraction is. So same thing is going to happen for coding in future. Okay, so you should learn. I would suggest everybody, whatever age is, to learn coding and to learn about computers. It is so basic need nowadays that everything controls. So whatever is happening in this world right now is controlled by computer. Most of the things, I would it will not be wrong if I say 95% things are controlled by computers, maybe 90 or 95. So you should learn how and what all these things are, right? So now we have title tag, which gives title to our website. Title. Okay, so name of title, let's say we are learning about tables and lists, so this will be save. And now see, now here we have table and list. The name of my web page is table and list. Okay, so now we wanted to learn list. We are okay, let's change the background of our web page. So bg color is equal to, today we'll make it, let's try pink. Okay, let's try pink. Let's see how pink will see like look. Yeah, that's fine. Light pink and not like it's not hurting to our eyes. Like what do we say? It's not feeling bad to our eyes. That's it. Okay. So body background is equal to color. Fine. So now we are going to make list. Okay, so we have two types of list, unordered list and ordered list. So we have to start unordered list. Unordered's U and lists list. Okay, this tag we use and then we will end this tag UL. This is for unordered list. And now in list we want list item also, right? So list item, L for list, I for item. Okay, and what item I want? Let's say HTML. And we will close it, LI. Okay, this is list. And let's see another item. Let's add another item. Okay, and instead of HTML I will write CSS. And now when I save and refresh my page, okay, and you will see HTML CSS here, right? So because it is unordered list, that's why it is not ordered, and you can see here dots. Okay, HTML, and I will add one more item to this list with li tag. Okay, let's say JavaScript. Okay, and now see. Okay, fine. So now we can add, this is not necessary that you have to have add only text in your list. You can add anything to your list. Okay, anything means you can add image also. Let me just see which image I have. Flower. Okay, okay, flower. So img, we will use img. Okay, src and flower flower dot what was it, jfif is the extension. Okay, and close and save. And now see, this photo is the item of list, unordered list. So if you see here, I have dot, right? I can add another image in my list, in my unordered list. Save and see, I have another image. Why I am using same image? Because this image size is smaller, so which you can see properly. That's why, because other images that I have is like bit larger, so it doesn't look good. And if you say if you can change the size of image, yes we can, but for that we have to use style tag, that is CSS, and which we are going to learn in further classes. Okay, fine. So this is about unordered list. Now we are going to learn about ordered list. So for that we have OL tag, that is ordered list, and we are going to end this tag. Okay, and same way we have to add list here, list item, actually not list, list item. And let's add same list items to my ordered list. Now don't forget that we are doing ordered list, OL, ordered list. And let's delete this as of now. I am not using image as of now. I'll just use text for now. When I refresh, now you can see I have a list with order 1 2 3 with order. Okay, okay, and if I add this image, okay, then this image will also have some order. 1 2 3 is image, 4 is data script. Okay, so if you want a list with order, you can use OL tag. What if you don't want 1 2 3 4, like you don't want your lists order to 1 2 3 like numbers? I want something else. Ma'am, can I send a code? Yeah, sure, but code of what and why? Can you tell me that? You can send a code, but you have to describe about that code also, like why and what we have to do and what is that code about. Okay, fine. Understood? So yeah, so we were saying that what if I don't want 1, 2, 3, 4? I want some other, maybe ABC. Okay, I want order in ABC. For that, what I will do, we have type attribute in ordered OL is equal to, let's say, A, small a. When I save it and refresh, you will see now my order is in small a, B, C, D. Okay? Same way, if you want capital ABC, you will write capital A, type, save, and ref. And now see A, B, C, capital ABC. Your list's order is in capital ABC. Yes, sure, Manap, sure. You can send your code in chat. And what if you want in Roman numbers? So you will write small I. So order will be in Roman number. See, small I, C. Okay. What if you want capital I? If you write capital I instead of small I, save and refresh. So now see, your order will be in capital I's Roman number. Okay. Okay. So in type, you can use the type of your order here. Okay. And let's say we will write here H2. Okay. This is ordered list. Just to make it, just to make my page look better, like this is ordered list. Okay, and same way I am going to write here before unordered list. Okay, unordered list. What is this spelling? Save. And this is unordered list. Okay, this looks better now, isn't it? If we are doing something, so it should look, at least look good. And basically when we are making a web page, so it should look good. Okay, fine. So now we have learned about ordered list and unordered list. In ordered list, you can actually change type of orders you want your list to be. Okay. Any doubts still here? Ordered list, unordered list. We can do one more thing. Here this is order. We can nest. We can wrap. Okay, let me just show you. We can just give list item inside list item ordered list. Like, okay, I'll just show you how to make it. I'll just show you. Let me just copy this, copy, and I will add it inside this HTML. Some things better to show. Okay. So inside HTML, you will understand what I am doing. Let me just indent it properly so that you will not be confused. Okay. Now see, this is outer ordered list. Okay, and here I will order it in 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is outer ordered list. In this ordered list, I have HTML item, and this HTML item is again has a list. Okay, now when I save it and refresh, now you will see this HTML is having another list, right? So you can just nest your tags inside any tags, and you can do anything whatever you want. Okay, you can do same thing in your unordered list also. This is my unordered list. I will let's say in CSS. Okay, so I am writing an ordered list inside CSS. See, now HTML CSS, and this is unordered list, but inside CSS I have an ordered list. Okay, and same way you can do in ordered list, you can do unordered list. Okay, so basically it depends on your creativity. Okay, okay, any doubt still here? Manab, you were going to send some code, you have not sent it yet. Still I cannot see your code in chat. Okay, I hope this is clear. Is this clear, everyone? Now, after ordered and unordered list, we have another list called description list. Okay, that's called description list. Okay, and in description list, we have another tag that is DL, because it's description list. So DL, description list, and I will end it DL. Okay, okay, and in description list we have description term. Okay, I'll just write here description term, and let me write inside it description term. Okay, and in description term we have this is description basically. Okay, description, describe, like we are describing. Okay, D, and DL is closed. Now when I save, so see, I have this term and I am describing it here. Okay, so let me just show you. Let's say here I have apple. So here I am describing about it. So apple is a fruit which is of red color and whatever. Okay, save and see. Apple, this is description term, and this is description of description term. Okay, and let's add another. Okay, another item in description list. So instead of apple, let's write Dhruvon. Okay, because that's our channel, so you should not forget, right? So Dhruvon provides various courses for students. Okay, various IT courses, let's say. Okay, CS courses or IT courses. And now when I run, so now see, description term, this is description of description term. This is Dhruvon, this is list. Now this is description list where we are describing some term. Okay, where we are describing some term. Okay, so here also you can list, you can, let's say we are just writing in, so we are describing about something, right? So we are describing about okay, Dhruvon, this is good, just give me a second here. So I am describing about Dhruvon. So inside DD, like description of Dhruvon, I am adding ordered list. Okay, I will write for students and like courses, about courses. When I save, okay, and when I refresh, see, so now this is Dhruvon. Okay, this is description of Dhruvon. Okay, oh, I forgot, enter, like cut, and I have to add it inside this DD. description. This is inside description, right? Because it was not giving the desired output I wanted. So now see. So now I have added ordered list in description list. That this is description list, this is description term, and this is description of description term. And my description includes ordered list. So this is how we can do all these things. Okay, you can nest everything anywhere, whatever you like it's all about your, you know, creativity. And what if I want description list to be unordered? I will just wrap my description list in UL list. That's it. I don't want like randomly written some words to describe. I want at least it should have some dots. And now when I run, oh, where are my dots? Did I do something wrong? Okay, maybe. Well, you can, okay? Maybe it must be having some error here. I must be doing something wrong. Huh. Ordered list and DL description list, fine. So basically it should show. Okay, no problem. We'll just, you know, delete it right now. Okay, fine. So this is how you can just, you know, nest and wrap different tags inside tags and, you know, experiment by yourself by, you know, adding different tags inside different tags and see what output you get. Okay, this is how you learn more things than you are taught. Okay. Okay. Any doubts still here? Any doubts still here? Okay, so should we move ahead? Should we move on now? Does anybody has any doubts? Okay. So if any if nobody has any doubts, so we are moving on to tables. How to add tables to your web page, right? How to add tables to your web page. Okay, good, Mana, great. So Abhimanyu, Rupam, Chetna, do you have any doubts? Okay, so let's move ahead. So now we are going to learn about tables. How to add tables. Okay, now we are going to learn about tables. ठीक है. So this is about tables. So I would, you know, I hope you know what rows and columns are. When you are talking about tables, you come with like you have to have some columns or and rows, right? A table is combination of rows and columns. Okay, so if you notice, whatever we are doing inside body tag. So remember, whatever you want to you want to show on your web page, that thing going to become inside body tag. That should come in body tag. Okay, fine. So now we are going to learn about tables. Fine. So in table, yeah, let's try to give background color to our table. Background color. and let's make it yellow. Save. Let's see if it will work or not. No, so header, in header you cannot use this thing like background color. We can use, but for that we need styles. But I thought let's try if we if we can use this background color this attribute in H2 also. So it's worth. Okay, so we cannot use background color in H2 like header tags. Now we were going to start tables. So for that we have table tag. Okay, the same thing. If you want to add table, so you should have table tags, and better you close the tag so that it will not be difficult for you, or maybe you will not forget to close the tag. Okay, now you have to add table row. Okay, if you can imagine, I am going to show now also, but remember row is horizontal, okay, and column is vertical. Okay, let me just here I'll just write HR. Okay, save and refresh. So this line, can you see here? I will use one more. HR, save. See, if you see, can you see these two lines here? So these lines are horizontal lines. Okay, so horizontal thing is rows and vertical things are column. Okay, so now inside table I am adding table row. So TR, table row. Okay, and when I have opened this tag, so I will close this tag. Table row. Okay, now inside table row we should have some data, right? Table data. So now I am going to add table data. So data is going to be let's say Python, and close it. Table data, TD, that is table data. And now when I save and refresh, you will see you have Python here, right? So instead here I will use it here. These lines come below. Okay, so now you can see that I have table was just the heading, and now I have one item in my row, one data in my row. Let's add another data. Okay, another data in my table. So Python, let's say C++, save and refresh, and if you see Python, and after Python you have got C++, right? So if you see, this is one row and this row has two items. That means this table now has two columns, one column below Python and one column below C++, right? I'll show you, no problem. If you are bit confused, no problem, I am going to just show you what this is. And then we have Java, save, and now you have three items in your rows, three data in your rows, and now this table has three columns also. How? I'll just show you. I am adding another row in my table, right? I am adding another row in my table. Same way. Now Python 1, C++ 1, Java 1, just to see, like just to differentiate it from our earlier data. Save and refresh. Now see. Okay, now if you see, now Python, C++, Java in first row, they have more space, right? Both are right, Manab. Both will work. It is even same for break tag also. Okay, so now if you see, you have more spaces in Python, C++ now. right? Because the length of your item that is below first row is more. And now this is one column, like Python is one column, C++ is another column, and Java is another column. I will add another row. Okay, I will add another row, and here I will write like less thing. Okay, save. See, so now this is my table. This is how you can add rows to your table. This is how you can add data to your table, and this is how you can add any number of rows in your table. It is much more flexible to be honest. I'll just show you. Okay, so see, now first row has 3 items, second row has 3 items, third row also has 3 items. What if I just add one more item? Well, basically they are independent, like each row is independent. Okay, so I can what happened? Set. So I can add any number of, I can add any number of data in any column. It will not affect the size of my table. Like, well, it will affect the size of my table, but it will not affect, like if if other rows has these many items, so other rows should also have only 3 items. So it is like each row is independent of other rows from other rows. So see, I can add any number of, data in any row. Okay. Okay. So now we have table head. Okay. What do you understand by table head? What is table head? Okay. So table head is basically table heading, the heading for your table. So let me just show, and the heading of your table will always be inside table row. So instead of TD, I am using this first one, TH. I'll just make it TH. TH, 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 and TH. Save and refresh. Now see, these are your table heading. Right? Python, C++, Java. Instead of this, I'll just change like courses, like course 1. Okay, course 1, course 2, course 3. I'll just do that. Okay, this is basically heading of each column. Right? Now see, heading of each column. Now it makes little bit sense that okay, this column has course 1 and this column has course 2 subjects and this column has course 3 subjects. Okay, T head. Why do you want to write THEAD if you can use TH, right? So yeah, so you can use TH, that is table heading. Okay, TH table heading, and it will always come inside TR, that is table row. Okay, you can have title for your table also. So now for making title for my table, I used H2, but you can write heading of your table by using caption tag inside table. Caption tag inside table. Okay, so what will be the heading? Heading will be Dhruvon courses. Okay, and then end caption. Now when I save and now when I refresh, so now this is my heading of my table. And if you say why it is here, because the length of my table is this, and for this this Dhruvon courses, wherever my Dhruvon courses is in middle of this table. Okay, let me just add one more TH so that it will look better. and this is course 4. Save and refresh. Yeah, to align neatly, we have to use styles and all those things. Okay, we have to use CSS and style tags. That I'm going to teach you. Today I'm going to just teach you a little bit, like a smaller part of it, because we are going to learn about it in details in further classes. But for now, I'm going to teach you that. Okay. So yeah. So obviously, Chetna, this doesn't look good. It's just like it should have lines and table and all those things, right? So for that, we can use style tag. That style tag we can use inside table also. Let's try style. Style is equal to, okay. What we can use? Let's use border. Border. Spelling. Border. Border. Colon. Remember, column. Colon. Okay. And 1 pxs pixel. This is the size of line. Okay. And it should be solid. Okay. And color should be black. And semicolon. Okay. For using style attribute is equal to in table. Let's save and refresh. So now you have this square around my table because I have used this style in table tag. Okay, let's use it in each and every tag. Let's say in caption. Okay, save. And now my caption is in, like my caption has border around it. So sorry, start. Just give me 2 minutes. Okay, so now you want to make border for my row, and I will use this row, first row. Same thing I am doing basically. Did I save? So instead, let's try table head. So now it's table head. Okay, now I have used this line for my table head for one item. I can use this for each and every item of my table. See, okay, let me add this style in each and every item basically. Okay, just give me a second. I'm just copying and pasting everything and save. And now see, right, why it is not looking neat still? Because I have, different number of items in different rows. Let me let me just make it better. Okay. Is it? I'm sorry. Excuse me for that. So now it looks much like a table, right? You can change its thickness. Instead of 1, you can use 5. And when I use 5, and this 5 I am using in table. Remember, table. So when I say refresh, so my table's border is thicker. Okay, let's change its color, because if I use any other box like border, I will have to change like different thing. Let's try to change its color. Red. Save, refresh. Now see, the border is red. Okay, you can change border for your caption also. Let's make it 9. Let's see what 9 will look like. Save, refresh. See. Okay. So this is thank you, Manab. Let me drink again. I hope, yeah. Oh, thank you. Still, I don't know what happened suddenly. Okay. So I guess now it makes some sense. Now it look like a table, right? So to make it like a table, to look like a table, you have to use style attributes. Okay. So instead of, see, I have to write this line everywhere, each like in each and every tag. Like it's a lot of work, isn't it? We can save our time, and we have another way. We go to head. Okay, in head we have style tag. Okay, inside head we have style tag. Okay, and here we give at once. Basically what you want, we wanted everything to be 1px solid and black, right? For which like for what tags we wanted this border? For table, for caption, for tr, for th, and for td, right? So just carefully see here what I'm going to do. Okay, table, because this is for table tag. Th, because I want same thing for my table header tag. Tr for table row tag, and what else we had? Td for td tag. And now curly bracket. Remember, curly bracket. And now inside this curly bracket, I will use same thing. I will just copy paste. But here we will not use this double quotes. See, okay. And now close it. Close it. And now that means we want this style for all these tags. Okay, but if you see, I have this style for just my table. Okay, so what I will do, I will just remove these and keep this for my table. Okay, I'll just keep this for my table, and I'll copy, and for my th and all those things, so for my th tag, tr tag, and td tag, I want my border to be the size of the border will be 1 pixel. It will be solid. It can be dotted also. Dotted. And instead of red, we are using black. Okay, let me save it. And okay, this is another work I have to do. Let me just delete everything so that it will work properly. Now I am not using style as attribute. I am using style as what? Tag. Till here. Okay. So that it works properly. Just give me a few seconds. Style. and when I refresh now it's different. And if you see here, I used dotted, and now if you notice, let me just increase it. Oh, not this one, this page. See, now my border is dotted. Okay, because I used that my table head, table row and table data should have border, dotted border, and the size should be 1 pixel, like thickness should be 1 pixel, and color should be black. Okay, now I don't have anything in my heading, table heading. No, this is table caption. I don't have any box in the caption because I have not used anything here in caption, and I have not given any style here also. Okay, so I will use table and caption same way. Okay, save. And if I, so now see, my caption is also has same border, like my table, and inner things like inner data has dotted border. Let me just make it 2 pixels so that it will be lit. Now see, okay, dotted. We have dashed also. Dashed. Refresh. Okay, we have dashed also. Okay, so that you understand what I'll do, I'll use caption, copy. This is dashed, fine. Okay, I'll use caption for different. Solid done, dash done, and I'll use dotted for caption. Save. So that you know everything. Okay? Understood? Any doubts still here? Did you understand about tables? So we have a little bit more things. Okay. Oh, Manable. So we have table head that we have to learn. And we have table body also. So we have just and then we have call span, like column span. So about these 3 tags we are going to learn in next class. Okay, because time is over now, and let me just note it down so that I don't forget. In our next class we have to use T head. Well, basically, yeah, same thing Manab asked. So T head is different and TH is different. T head is for head. So I will explain it to you in next class. And then we have T body and then call span. This I am going to cover in next class about tables. Okay. And in next class we are going to learn about DIVs, like that is divs and spans. Okay, and if we finish div and spans like on time, then we are going to learn about input and forms, like how to make forms and input forms basically. Okay, so do you have any doubts still here? Any doubts still here? Okay, so same thing. I want all of you to practice all these codes. Okay, and yeah, I want you to experiment. Instead of this text, I want you to add any image or anything in table. Okay. Try to think out of the box. Okay, try to be creative, because when you try to be creative on like that's like when you yourself have some questions and you want to get get answer of all those questions, you have to do, like you have to try, right? Manap, for what you said no. Okay, like you don't have any doubts, right? Okay, great. Okay. Great, everyone. Okay, Chetna, nice. ठीक है. So I want all of you to practice. Okay, whenever you get time, whenever you feel like, but you need to practice. Okay, and try to the same thing. This HTML and CSS language is so beautiful. Well, more like every language is beautiful, but this you can see everything on screen, right? On web page. So it is very colorful. When we are going to jump on CSS, so then you are going to see that how beautiful and how colorful and how dynamic our CSS is, and how dynamic CSS can make our website look. Okay, so you have to have some creativity. Try to add different tags inside different tags and see what all those nested tags do. Okay, there are many things that you learn by doing. Okay everyone, so bye everyone, take care, and we are going to meet tomorrow at same time, and there we are going to learn about new topics. Okay, bye everyone, take care.